Hey, Tech Guide Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to permanently delete your Notion account. So to start with, in the top left-hand corner, you're going to click on your account name. Then you're going to scroll down and click on settings. From there, you need to click on your profile again and scroll down slightly till you get to the section that says support. And in that section, you should see delete my account. So from there, you need to click delete my account and you'll be prompted to type in your email address to confirm. Please know that this action is permanent and it cannot be undone. Your entire account will be permanently deleted and you will be removed from all shared workspaces. But if that's what you want to do, click on the red bar to permanently delete your Notion account. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you soon.